I should push the brake.
No, not yet, eh?
Okay.
Match the brake 3 times for me, eh?
Okay, I should push. I should push it.
Match 3 times, yeah, match it, pump it for me. Okay, hold on. Hold, eh? Okay, match again.
I'm matching it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, pump it for me, eh?
I'm matching it though.
Pump.
I should keep on matching it.
Wait. Pump.
Okay.
Pump. Then hold it. Oh yeah, pump.
I should keep on pumping.
Pump. Okay, hold it, eh? Yes, of course. They do. You know, let's try to work on this. My daughter, eh? Well, the thing is, you always have other ways of easy, eh? Yes. No. For me. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that pass. Let me. Okay. Good evening, my son. Go. Oh, yeah, come. Let me teach you how to drop the ball. Wait. Watch me. 1, 2. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, do this. No, Ada. Oh, I can't get the ball. Fast. So I have to drop the ball for me right now, okay? Good. Ball.
Kick it out.
Come on.
Okay.
Ada, you want to do everything. Right now, let me teach you how to jump the ball, right? So watch me, alright? Now you take it 1, 2. You see? That's the game. So now, show me your skills. Fast. Do it better than daddy, alright? No, like this. Okay. Flip it up. No, look at what you do. You just raise first, then you continue.
Okay.
All right, go on.
Do it again.
Give me.
Oh, you can't do that. Okay, pass for me. Nice. It's alright, it's alright. No, not for you. Alright, come. So I pass, then give me back. Give me back. That's nice. Come on. Okay. I come to for you.
Why now?
Okay, we're done for the day. Guys. Come on. Where is your mother? Oh. Come on.
Ma!
Let's go.
I'm coming!
My God.
Where have you been?
Mommy, we went to go and drop that boat that you said we should drop at Mama Chiamaka's shop. Yes, we went to drop it there.
That's why you spent the whole day there. And you naked? I am sure you went to play football. And you, Ada?
Just
My love.
Oh, my love.
My love.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you. Hello. You're calling water?
Yes, let Ada put it in the bathroom.
Okay.
Ada, put it in the bathroom for your dad to bath. Go and help her.
Hi. My love. What is it for us,
Something special.
I know.
Just the way you like it.
I know.
So go inside now.
I can tell from the aroma.
Oh, go inside. Take a bath. I'll serve you dinner.
It's alright.
Is your waist still hurting?
No, I am fine. I'm fine.
You're not
Just
fine.
little.
You are not fine, my husband. I've told you. I don't like what this work is doing to you. Take some time off, even if it's 3 days, just a couple of days to rest. I will take care of the family. I can, with the proceeds from the farm.
My love. I know you care for me a lot. Yes. It's just a little pain. No? I just decided to twist.
Don't twist too much.
My waist a little. That's just it. My love, I feel your love for me every second of my life. But have you forgotten I am the man? I am supposed to be the provider, not the other way around.
Because you are the man. So because you're the man, you want to kill yourself?
Well, for the right reasons now. Get rich or die trying.
Nobody's dying anytime soon.
God forbid,
Go inside, take a bath, and I will serve you a meal.
It's alright.
Then I'll come and take care of that waist for you.
Oh, Dalo, Her Majesty. Hey, Atalugum. Let me go.
Why?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay,
Ada!
Hey.
Ada! Water bucket! Bring another bucket for me. Ada! I thought you said you were fine.
But you should know I was lying now.
That's it. You need to take some time off work. And just rest, please. I will go to the farm. I told you.
Hey, baby, take it easy now. You're going to that farm. I have not settled with my brother on that farm. Land matter.
That land belongs to you. Your father gave it to you before he died. I witnessed it.
See, baby, there was no legal papers. And as the first child, he's just laying claims, fighting, causing trouble.
He has his own lands. He had them and he sold them. Why is he trying to lay claims to that which belongs to you?
That is the problem. And the worst is that the whole elders, they're on his side.
Well, I don't care. I am going to that farm and I will farm. Turn your back. Let me massage it.
Oh, baby, take it easy. I'm not my brother that is causing the whole problem. Oh, baby. I am not my brother that caused the trouble now. So massage me gentle. Baby, baby, You know your stubbornness has always been attractive to me.
It's not my stubbornness we're talking about here. You have to take some time off work. You need to rest.
Okay. I am going to take a week off. But that must be after I'm done with the sets of cars in the shop.
No problem. That's fine. That's what I want to hear. Why are you looking at me like that? Haven't you seen a fine woman before?
Hey! Atalugo, you! How did you know what is in my mind? Hey. Oh, you know you're beautiful, eh? You see, let your hair don't bust though. Calm down. Baby, I have never seen a beautiful woman. A beautiful girl as beautiful as you are. Yes.
How about those small girls that come to the workshop?
Hi. You've come again now. What is all this? I've always told you. Am I even running a salon? What I have is a mechanic workshop. I work on cars, engine, anything concerning car movement. You're my sugar. The apple of my eyes. Atalugo. All those girls, they are bitter colas. All those nonsense.
Bitter cola? You like bitter cola? You eat bitter cola every day. Now the girls are your bitter cola.
Yes, now I eat original, real bitter cola now.
I don't want. Don't call them your bitter cola. I don't want.
My love. It's only you now. My Atalugo. Everything sweet is you.
Let me
even those that bitter cola. You're my bitter cola too. You're the whole sweet thing and the whole bitter things in my life.
Let me massage your waist then. You know I need it.
I know you. Always home.
Oh, did I go?
Come easy, Don't stay.
Now we've tried, We've tried. Take. Do you want water?
Yes.
Let me just pack up and then we'll go. Where's your sister?
I don't know, Mommy.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
It's chill. Good morning.
Hey! Stop that! What is good about this morning? I'm asking you. What is good about... Now, let me be straight. What are you people doing here?
Ichi, are we quarreling?
What do you mean by are we quarreling? What are you people doing here?
We are farming.
You are farming. Ulama, you are farming. You are farming. You people have been trying to encroach in my life and I refused. What are you doing, you and your family? Now you are doing first foot forward, trying to connive with your husband to own my land that rightly belongs to me. Is that what I'm seeing here?
Ichi, what land are you talking about?
Don't pretend that you don't know what I'm talking about. What do you mean you don't know what I'm talking about? I said that this land is mine!
Ichi, since we're on this land of discussion, this land does not belong to you. Yes? Did you see it in your dream? Or did you get a revelation? Because this land, you and I both know that your late father gave it to my husband Chike before he died. You are aware. We were both there.
Ulama, I wish you go before trying to insult me.
I wish I forgive Bawa.
You are insulting a red cap chief!
How am I insulting you? I am not insulting you. I'm only saying the truth. I am saying that which needs to be said.
You are saying that which needs to be said. Don't worry. You and your weak husband will receive public announcement very soon.
No problem.
You will receive it. No problem.
Ichie, no problem.
I know
you know the way to the house. No problem. How is this land your own? No fun for trouble.
You and your weak you will be
Let's go.
No, have you finished drinking water?
Yes.
Let's go home. Let's go.
I don't
Come and carry this. Where's your sister, Kwan? Ada! Ada, come on, let's go. We're going to leave you here.
Okay. Is everything okay? You're looking like somebody stole your mom.
My love, I am not happy.
Okay.
I'm not happy at all. You said Ono came to the farm yesterday and threatened you.
Yes, so he came. He said we will hear from him soon.
What is all this?
I don't even know what his plans are.
What is all this? What have I done to Ono? Ono sold our land in Aba. He squandered the money alone. I did not complain. Now he's fighting to take the one that was given to me by our father. What have I done to this man? But my wife, it is not going to happen. It is not going to happen.
Oh, forgive me. Not while God is alive. But my husband, I suggest you take actions before he does.
So what is your advice?
See the elders.
Hey. But you know everything now. You know everything. I don't trust those elders' judgments. They're on his side.
Obim, I understand. But there are a few good ones. And they can help us convince the bad eggs. Oh? Because if you don't tell them, they will say you didn't tell them. Well, at least he can't Hanover. Oh?
Baby, you're right though. You're right. In case someone who said he came to complain, you're right. You're right. Okay, maybe tomorrow after work.
Well, let's go inside, so you can relax a bit. Stop worrying about everything.
It's alright. It's alright. If I want to couple, I'll bow the dash.
I don't suffer, I don't cry.
Hey! What do you have for me?
Food, in case you get hungry.
Oh, how do you know? My love, how do you know that I am tired of Mama Nonso's food?
My husband, who does not know in this village that Mama Nonso is the worst cook in the history of this town? My husband can't spend money buying rubbish, Pico.
Oh, hey! Now wow! Wahala for who no get wife, we go cook better food for her. Baby, are you going to the farm today?
Oh yes, I'll go to the farm. That was the agreement. You rest while I work at the farm.
I know, but you see, you know my brother is very dangerous. Please be careful, oh. Pico.
Listen, I will go to that farm and I will walk. Your brother will not take our farmland away from us.
Hey! My lioness wife!
Ago number one.
Ago one!
Yes, sir.
Achalugo! My love, I love your courage, but please, Pico, be careful.
I'll be as careful as I can be.
It's
but
alright.
I will go to that farm. And
it's
I
alright.
will walk.
I trust you. Let me go. I have a lot to do.
Go well, my husband.
It's alright. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Hey! Will this one allow me to walk? Not I'll
but don't
finish
look
it
at
now.
any small girls.
Ha! Ha! Why are you spoiling the whole thing now? I mean, small girls.
Because I want you to tell me that.
What you know now? Okay, let me blow the trumpet now.
My wife is so beautiful. My wife is so beautiful. It's alright. Ah! Oh,
Bye bye.
Wahala for who no get lioness as a wife. Wahala for who no get beautiful woman as a wife. Wahala for who no.
Bye bye.
Oga, your Kickstarter is bad, so you will have to change it.
The Kickstarter?
Yes.
Hey, how much did that cost?
Well, like 8 to 10,000 naira.
8?
Yes.
Is that not too much?
Oga, it is not much, unless you want me to fix new one for you. But new one won't be okay for you. Belgium is better. And you know I have to go to Onitsha. That's where I can get Belgium parts. 10,000 is not much. Transportation and everything.
Onitsha all the time, Onitsha.
That is where we have original parts now.
I hope when I change this one, this car will not disturb me again.
Oga, trust me now, You're in Taiko's workshop, Opa Taiko. One hand.
Good afternoon.
Ada?
Okay. I'll come back later. Then we'll start here.
Okay. Yeah, 10. Alright.
Ada, what are you doing there? Your mother will be needing you at home. She might need your help.
But Daddy, I want to help you.
Ada, you want to work? You want to help me? What can you be helping me with in this workshop? Do you want to start learning mechanic, Ada?
But Daddy, I want to work. I insist. I want to do something.
Oh, it's alright now if you insist, Come, you sit and wait for me. I want to go to Onitsha and buy Kickstarter. So any customer that comes, tell them I will be back soon. Oh?
Okay, are you sure you're going to come?
Yes. I'll be back soon, Let me just get the parts. Have you eaten?
No.
Tell Mama Ngozi to give you akwa butter.
Yes.
It's okay.
Thank you.
I'll be back. Hey.
I'll be waiting for you. Don't enjoy yourself, Okay. said that he's coming back soon. I'm waiting at home.
I talk to you about playing football, running around the streets, running around everywhere playing football. Look at how dirty you look. And you come home from school, you will go to the mechanic workshop. Are you a boy? Are you a boy? Look at the time. Look at the time you're coming home. A girl like you. Come home straight. No. You will not bathe. You will not eat. Just look at the two of you. I will flog you today. I will flog both of you today. I will flog you. So that next time you will not do this. Eh?
I'm sorry now. Please forgive me. I promise I won't do it again.
You will do it again. I know you. I know you. You will do it again.
But you know I can't do it.
Where's your daddy? Where's your father?
Mommy, that was why I came back late though. He told me that he was going to Onitsha to go and get something. So and I waited and waited for him to come back, but I didn't see him.
He's not back from Onitsha?
Yes.
Stand up, naughty boy. Next time I'll flog you. Quiet! Your father's phone is not going. Did he take his phone with him?
Yes, he took his phone.
Go to school, come back. People will not come back. Now your father's phone is not going through. Eh? What time did he leave for this Onitsha? 3:30. Hey. His number is not going through. Go and fetch water and bath first. Go inside and bath. I left your food in the kitchen. Chike, where are you now? Eh? His phone is not going. Eh? He has never done this before. Hey!
You mean you haven't seen Papa Ada since yesterday?
I haven't. And I went to the police station yesterday and they said they cannot start the search until tomorrow.
That was exactly how they behaved when Papa Emeka got missing. But you know how that one ended now?
No.
Onimaro. Uloma. Are you trying to tell me you didn't hear?
No, I didn't.
Here. I thought the news is everywhere already. I thought the whole village knew about it. After 5 days of searching for Papa Emeka, the police found him in the arms of another woman.
God forbid! My Chike can never do that. Eh? Another woman? Or do possible? Ha! Obim!
This was exactly how I reacted. Love, exactly like this. Uloma, stop being naive. Men are always the same. They are the same. If you like be the most beautiful woman on earth, they will still cheat. If you like hang your legs from here to here, they will still cheat on you. That is meant for you.
Chike will not and can never cheat on me. Eh? Or Binkem. Or do it possible. See, Koi Hozo. Say something else.
You know, before Papa Emeka got missing, I could swear with my last breath, even that of my children, that he would never do such thing. But look at it today. You know the story now. I just told you the story. So get yourself prepared. Prepare yourself. Prepare your mind. Men are the same. They are always cheats. They cheat.
Obi.
Oh, Biggie. Oh, Biggie. You better prepare yourself.
Ada, has any woman come to look for your daddy at the workshop? I mean, does any woman come to look for him at the workshop that you know of? No. No? Yes. Somewhere in my heart, I was hoping that your answer would be yes. So,
But Mommy, have the policemen started searching for him?
Not yet, my son. They said it will only take 2 days after somebody has been declared missing before they can start their search. So, I'm hoping that by tomorrow, they'll start looking for him. You people are not eating. Is the food not good enough?
How do we eat when Daddy is not around?
No. I don't want you to bother yourself. Once the police start looking for him, they'll find him. They'll find your father. No, I'm sure. Don't worry. Eat.
I'm sure.
I'm sure. Eat. 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 Don't worry. Eat.
Why are you crying?
It's my husband, your brother. He's missing.
My brother?
He's missing.
My brother is missing!
For 3 days now. I've not seen him. I have not seen him.
What did you do? Report to the police?
I did.
What happened? What did
they said I should bring money to mobilize them before they can start the investigation.
Yes. Have you given them to mobilize?
I don't have it, Che, please. I need your financial assistance. Because
my brother is missing and I don't have money at this point in time. Oh my dear, how I mean. Hey! My brother is missing! No money now to even help! Oh, Mom.
Ichi, what are we going to do?
I should be asking you! Anyway, I just bought this paper. Now, let me take my time to read if there is anything like missing person or kidnap or anything like accident.
Okay, let me go and ask Mami Choma.
Please do. After here, we'll go to the village to announce it. I will listen to the radio.
My brother. Hey! Where are you now, Papa? There's no laughter again. Things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa?
Chike, where have you gone to? And left me with these children. What do you want me to do with them? Chike, where are you? Chike, where have you gone to? And left me with these children. What do you want me to do with them?
Where are you now, Papa? There's no laughter again. Things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa? Where are you now, Papa? There's no laughter again, and things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa? I don't belong. I don't suffer, I don't cry, tire. Where are you now, Papa? I don't belong, you are gago. Kajirimu, Mary Hochi. I don't suffer, I don't cry, tire. Where are you now, Papa? Echetara onkwa ikuremu. Where are you now, Papa? There's no left to regain, and things could turn harder. Where are you now, Papa?
Everything sweet is you.
Let me
Even
massage
those
you.
that bitter you're my bitter cola too. You're the whole sweet thing and the whole bitter things in my life.
Let me massage your waist, babe. You know I need it.
Let me blow the trumpet now. My wife is so beautiful. My wife is so beautiful.
I told you people that I don't want to receive this woman. This woman will be coming down to this place and back.
One day, it go better for us.
Like I said, this fence, there was a problem in that fence before, but we have said you will see one beacon there. The man did a lot of encroachment, but we settled. But still, the whole of this place down to that flank, and then from this fence down to that flank is yours. This house, uncompleted building, was my father's pet project. He couldn't complete it. And I tried myself to complete it, you know, as a pensioner. It's not stable. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. Economic imbalance. But you can level it down and build the... Did you say it's a mansion that you want to build or airport? A company. So fine. It's a table land from this fence to the other flank there is yours. And from here down to the other area is yours. Very table land.
I have a question to ask you, sir.
A question to ask? Oh, ask.
I like what I'm seeing here. But, you know, this is a new project that someone is already working on.
My late father.
Yeah, like you said. And I want to be sure that we won't have issues in this land. Because I'm interested in this land. Yeah.
Hey, you don't need any guarantee. I am the guarantor. I am my father's first son. Nobody to compete with me. Unopposed. That is who I am. That is why I am even called Onu. I am the mouthpiece of my family. No one else except me can speak. I can direct and destroy. It's all in my hand. So you have no problem at all.
If you say so, I like the land, so I'm going to purchase it and I'm going to give you cash.
Cash?
In my car.
In your car?
Yeah. Once we leave this place, I'll give you the cash.
Let us go. But Mr. Dick.
But you need to show me around, like where it ends and all that. So
okay. Well, let's go further. But Mr. Dick, if you are giving me cash, you have to drive me to the house, to my house. What of you know,
my brothers, this woman killed her husband. What would you do? You killed your husband.
I did no such thing.
Shut up! Why am I even bothering myself? I have told you, your sins will soon catch up with you.
My sins cannot catch up with me because I did not do anything. I did no such thing. I did not kill my husband.
My fellow Iches, you have to be sure. Be absolutely sure.
Be sure. Very soon you will stop coming to any meeting with us. What sure do you need from here? That this woman has been committing a lot of atrocities and we want to follow the tradition and you're telling me sure.
Very soon you tell us what is between you and this woman.
Between who?
You. Get here.
Ha!
I have mourned you, my husband. This has been the hardest thing I have ever done, accepting that I and the children will never see you again. God, you know best.
Olama, death is a necessary end. It will come when it will come. I want to advise you to carry on with your life. I've done the necessary ritual of using the Omo to move around, to look for his spirit and cushion the spirit not to have after effect, begin to harm your children and yourself. So you carry on with your life, no?
Ichi, what exactly are you doing here?
Of course, I'm here to console you and then to remind you that this house is sitting on a land that belongs to my late father. Very soon, it will be needed for one thing or the other.
You want to take this one from us too?
Who said so? I did not say I will take it away. I said that I want you to be, reminded that the house will soon be useful, either for one reason or the other. So you have to be, having that at the back of your mind. Is either you begin to think of how to quit, or you sit down and then contribute later. From the much I am doing already for the maintenance of the house.
Ichion, do you not have any sympathy at all? Is your heart made of stone? Yes, I ask you, is your heart made of stone?
What? Hold on. I'm not here to trade words with you. I'm even being generous already by asking you to contribute. Otherwise, I know what I would have done. But I wouldn't do that. I am a generous man and a very good person because of my brother already. So what I'm saying is that you begin to think about it because I can't allow my father's property to lie fallow and become useless. Why am I the opera in the first place? I am the first son, so I have to, check or put things on check. Offense can be a
carry around the school to sell. And I will find my way to sell my own. Don't play, oh! Make sure you sell everything, and it's 50 naira a piece. 50 naira. Yes. What you have there, make sure you count it. 50 naira a piece. And as soon as you finish selling, come straight back home. Okay? Okay. Sebastian, oh. Good luck, oh. 50 naira. Bring back the money complete and come straight home. Okay. But you can sell 200, oh. Pieces, so 50 naira. Sweet orange. This one is sweet. Oh, gosh, you wow, sir. Oh, she was some of them self. Give me 100 naira. Other people are saying 300. Go and try my own, taste my own. Very sweet, very sweet. Sweet orange, sweet orange. Sweet orange, 50 naira. Thank you. Thank you, sister. Thank you. Sweet orange. Oloma, chola job pieces. Taste oloma, sweet oloma. Orange, sweet orange. Sweet oloma, 50 naira. Oloma, chola job pieces. Abiagonwo.
One day it go better for us. One name Ebezina. One day it go better for you and me. One name Ebezina. One day it go better for us. One name Ebezina. One day it go better for you and me. Oh God, in madness, yeah. Yeah. Do it busy now. One day, it go better for us. One day, me busy now. One day, it go better for you and me. One day, me busy now. One day, it go better for us. One day, busy now. One day, it go better for you and me. One day, busy now. One day, it go better for us. One day, busy now. One day, it go better for you and me. Da 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 da. One day, me busy now. One day, it go better for us. One day, me busy now. One day, it go better for you and me. One day, me busy now. One day, it go better for us. One day, me busy now. One day, it go better for you and me. Oh God, in madness, yeah. Your evil thoughts would not be for long. One day, me busy now. One day, it go better for us. One day, me busy now. One day, it go better for you.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
What is wrong with your car?
I don't know. It just stopped working. And I don't even know if I will see any good mechanic around here. Do you know of any?
Can I take a look at it? You? Yes.
What do you know about cars?
I know a few things.
Really?
Yes.
Alright. So, what do we do? Where do we even start? What do I fix, connect to, get it?
All you have to do is just start the car.
Yes. Are you sure about this?
Yes. Okay, start it now.
It's not working.
Wait.
I don't think you can do this.
Just start it now.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! It worked! How did you even do it?
My late father was a mechanic and I was always in his workshop, so I was learning one or two things from him.
Really?
Yes.
So impressed. This is amazing.
Thank you, Ma.
Just 1 second.
Thank you.
Please take this, okay? Just manage it.
No, Ma. I didn't do it for money.
I know. I just want to show my appreciation. You're an amazing person. Just take it.
No, Ma. I insist. I'm fine.
Okay. Thank you once again. Tell me, where are you heading to? Maybe I could drop you. And please do not say no to me. Please.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Hopping.
Da 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 da. One name now. One day, now one day, it go better for us. One name now. One day, now one day, it go better.
Thank you so much. You know, I'm so surprised. I wasn't even expecting you to be able to fix this. I really appreciate it. You are so amazing.
Thank you, Mom.
I didn't get to know your name. By the way, I'm Miss Anita.
My name is Ada.
A beautiful name.
Thank you.
So why is this beautiful princess sitting on the road instead of studying in school?
It's a long story.
Really? Well, I'm interested in hearing all of it. Okay, just tell me the shorter version of it.
Well, since my father died, my mother and I have been trying to survive with the little money we make from selling oranges to pay my brother's school fees and to put food on our tables.
That's so sad. I'm sorry, sweetheart.
No, it's okay. That's my house there.
We're here already.
Yes. Just go like this.
Okay.
You are daring me, You are daring me. Yes.
You stop blowing my things
Everything.
Stop blowing my things out, though. Stop it, though. Hey, stop it, though. Hey, stop it.
That's right. Ulama, if you touch any of them, you
are a wicked man. You are a wicked man. God will punish you. God will punish you.
Me?
Don't worry. You will see now.
Give me that. Give me man.
And what's happening over there?
It's my uncle.
Why is it throwing your things out?
I don't know.
Hey! My son will grow! My son will grow! God will judge you! God will judge you! Old man, wicked old man! Wicked old man, that's what you are, yes! Wicked man! Mazike! Keep you are a wicked man! You are a wicked man! Come! Can you imagine? Can you imagine what I don't know? Can you imagine what he's doing? Can you just imagine this? Wicked man! Useless man!
You are daring me!
Useless man!
You are daring me!
I'm daring you.
Yeah.
I am daring you.
Ulama.
I am daring you.
You're walking in here.
Yes. Yes.
Ulama.
Yes.
Yes. You pushed me. You pushed me.
Yes, I pushed you. I pushed you. I pushed you.
It's okay.
I pushed you.
It's okay.
I pushed you.
It's alright.
Yes, it's alright.
It's alright.
Useless man. Useless man.
What is going on?
The problem I have.
Calm down. Useless man. I cannot calm down. This man is wicked.
A red cap chief like me.
Which red cap chief?
There is war in our land.
Yes.
There is war.
Yes, Kahada.
Have you seen what?
Kahada.
Abomination of abomination.
Calm down.
Yes.
I should calm down.
Calm down for what? Don't calm down.
I am calm.
Don't calm down.
Oga,
I am
what is
equal
the
to the task.
I am coming.
Nonsense.
What happened? What is it? What is the problem?
Yes, there is no problem. The problem I have with Uloma is because out of pity, because of my brother, I told this woman, help me and contribute for the money I am spending for the upkeep and maintaining of this house.
Sister, this man has not spent a dime since my husband died. He left me to my fate. Hey, you helped me do what? You helped me. You abandoned me. You abandoned me and my children. Yes, you did.
All this is have you forgotten how I'm going to I'm to
a man.
Come.
Be a man. Just calm down.
I should calm down.
It's okay.
Okay, I will calm down.
You think they call me? You think they call me lioness for nothing? Do you think they call me lioness for nothing?
Okay.
You should have wine. You should have wine.
I am leaving you because of my brother.
I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Come now. Come.
I can fight.
Nonsense.
This woman is very wicked. She's very wicked. I developed BP because of this woman. Every day, every now and then, the security people comes here.
BP, okay for BP.
What are you doing there?
That BP will kill you.
A man.
I am doing it because of the love I have for my brother. That is why I am doing it.
This is not a man. It's Ike.
Let her contribute.
Oga, how much is this money we're talking about here?
Out of rough calculation, I have spent up to 20,000.
What? It's a lie,
Wait.
It is
because
a
of
lie.
20,000, that is why you're throwing their things out.
You are a liar.
If you see how the vigilante comes here to disturb me, the security people, they come here every now and then. The people, the water people, and the Nibrusi, they come.
That is why you have to throw their things out.
It is a lie.
The problem is too much for me. Let this woman be contributing or just
Sister, it is a lie.
Until I die. That's
Die.
what you
Die.
How to react.
Die.
So much you will understand.
Vultures will eat your corpse.
I am dying.
Dying where? Die.
Lord,
You are a liar.
Fine. Oga, I will give you the money.
You will give me the
I
money.
will give you the money.
Oh, better.
It's okay.
Sister, you cannot give him the money. Don't give him the money. He's a liar.
You have thrown my
He's a
red
liar.
cap on the ground. That one is abomination.
Have you
forgotten how I'm not happy worker? I will kill you. I will throw a fist on you. I will throw a fist on you.
All for two.
No wonder you kill my brother. All for two. Come on. All for two is a top gun.
Yes.
You killed my brother.
I'm top gun.
All for two is a top gun. You killed my brother. I said it. You killed my brother with 042. Oh, the number of the bullets you used.
This is 60,000.
60,000.
60,000. Hey!
I hope
Sister,
this will take a long
Sister,
time.
it's too much.
60,000.
Mama, that is okay for what? 60,000 for what?
I've given you the money.
60,000 for what? 60,000 for what? If you don't go 60,000 on your life,
you are watching her.
60,000.
You are watching her.
60,000.
You are watching her. It's chasing her. Go and fight.
Come and fight me now. Come and fight me. Come and fight me. Take shot. Take shot. I'm giving you my money. Get out of here. Get out of here.
You have disappointed me.
You came with marketing job. Leave here. Wait now. Don't worry. Okwifu, my son Ebuka is coming. Ebuka let me see who is going to come here to fight Ebuka. My son is coming. My son is coming. He will be big and mighty and very, very rich. Makanabu wine. Because I'm a woman. Don't worry. 60,000. 60,000. Sister, have you ever seen 60,000 in your life? Wicked old man. Eke is to kwagish. Ma swaguntu. Agota kwagish. Useless man. Useless man. Sister, I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are.
I'm Ada's new friend.
Hey, yes.
Sister, what are you doing?
Thank you. All I have to do is thank you for what you just did. The embarrassment has become too much. Thank you. This is my husband's house.
It's nothing.
This is my husband's house. Every day, this man will come.
Just stand
This
up.
man will be stressing me and my children.
You don't have to cry. Just
It is
stand
too
up.
much.
It's okay.
It is too much.
Stand.
No, let me thank you. Let me thank you very much. 60,000 is too much.
It is not. It's okay, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, stand. It's fine.
Auntie, thank you so much.
It's okay.
I am.
Let's.
I would have given you some food to eat. I'm a good cook. But these people, I'm sure they've scattered my pot of soup.
Don't bother yourself. Don't bother yourself. I'm fine.
God will punish these people.
It's okay. Let's take these things inside. Okay?
Don't stain your hand, though. Eh? Are you sure?
Hope you got what you went for. Okay. Well, my day was a little bit crazy. I met this little smart pretty girl on the road when I had issues with my vehicle. And she helped me fix the car. You're surprised, right? I know. Me too. I was so surprised. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, well, I noticed the mom was having some issues with the uncle and I helped out. Thank you, babe. So when are you coming back? You need to hurry and get back to the house because I'm missing you already. You know I can't stay without you. Alright, I'm waiting. See you soon. Love you.
What is it? Ada. Ma. This your father's disappearance. It's really affecting Ebuka, and I don't know what to do.
Mommy, next week is Ebuka's birthday. Why don't we celebrate his birthday for him? At least that will make him happy.
That's a good idea.
Yes.
Hey, we can invite some people.
Yes, sir. But Mom, don't tell him now.
No.
We'll just surprise him.
You two don't tell him. Why would I tell him now? Just a surprise. So don't tell him. Let's go.
Where are you now, Papa? There's no left to rotate. Feels good to act. Where are you now,
Ebuka, Mamu, happy birthday. Let's sing happy birthday song for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. Many more years to you. Many more years to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray!
This is when you need to make a wish, okay? You make a wish and you take one biscuit and you bite it.
Ebuka, just make a wish. Whatever you say will come to pass.
Daddy will come back.
Your wish will be answered, okay? Okay. Bye-bye. I see. Everybody stand.
Photographer, should we stay like this?
Yes.
Ichetara nkwa ikwere mu. Where are you now, Papa? There's no laughter again. Things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa? Ichetara nkwa ikwere mu. Where are you now, Papa? There's no laughter again, and things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa? I don't belong on you, Abiago. Kajirimu, Mary Hachi. I don't suffer, I don't cry, Where are you now, Papa? I don't belong on you, Abiago. Kajirimu, Mary Hachi.
Chike, where are you? Chike, please. Chike, come back. You've heard your son's wish. How will I explain this to him? That his father is nowhere to be found. Hey, Obi. Chike, my heart can't. I need you. I need you. Your children need you.
So it is finally happening. It's finally happening.
You
think you will not find out? Stop welcoming me. You think we will not find out how you have been gallivanting yourself, throwing party after party with our brother's money?
Ichie, what are you talking about?
Oh! Who knows other things they've been doing that never came to our notice?
It's only a matter of that we will tell that one.
These are mere assumptions. They are not true.
You are calling us liars?
Hey! Have you seen it? I told you that this woman is evil. Hey! Boys! Grab her.
Leave me alone! What's the meaning of this?
I told you that your sins will catch you.
What's the meaning of this now? Leave me alone now! What's the meaning of this?
Is she resisting arrest?
What's the meaning of this?
Is she resisting arrest?
She's not here.
But I don't like it.
Okay, don't worry. I'll make something for us to eat. If mommy is not back, we'll know that something is wrong. Okay? Auntie, I was on my way to your house. Auntie, please, have you seen my mommy? Because she's not at home and we haven't seen her. Eh?
That is the reason I'm also coming to your house. You see, I saw your uncle Icheonu and some elders carrying her away.
Why?
Because they are assuming that she killed your father.
What?
Mom can't do something.
I know.
Mommy can't do that. Mommy didn't kill my father. Didn't kill him.
Ada, listen.
I do my mom.
Listen, Ada. I know your mom very well. I know she cannot do such a thing. Listen, I don't need these tears now. Okay? Please.
My mom can't do that. She's innocent.
Ada, I know. Are you telling me about your mother? I know. Please, don't cry. I don't need these tears. Don't cry. Just...
She's innocent. She didn't do anything.
Just take care of your younger brother for me. I trust you're going to be a big girl. While I go out there, check on 1 or 2 persons that can help us. Please.
She didn't do anything.
If you're crying, what do you want your brother to do? Just go home. Please go home now, okay? Go.
And make sure you eat. Ada, you know I trust you. I'm not.
This woman killed her husband and she knows it. Hold on!
I did not kill my husband.
How can you say she killed her husband? Where is the proof? Do you have any proof?
Yes. What other proof do you need? She has been throwing parties after parties. What other proof? No, tell me. She's guilty already.
I am not Ichie. Eh? I did not kill my husband. What will I stand to gain? I did not.
You. Do not be deceived by this woman's innocent look. This woman here has a dagger heart. It appears she will do more abominable things. And of course, you are my witness. What I'm saying is that we have law and tradition already. It must be followed.
Listen. In 3 days' time, 3 days from now, you shall be offered to the gods to do with you as you will.
What?
Yes. Or if you...
Well, my fellow chiefs, I can't be a party to this.
Okay, sir.
You need proof in whatever you do. Go. I can't be a party to this.
You are not a party to... Well, of course, we already have enough.
What proof do you have that she killed her husband?
Go, get out of here. What do you mean by what proof?
I have told you. I am not a party to this. Don't forget I said it.
I am not supposed to know you. Go!
I'm not here. Come on, sit down.
Don't tie her up. Don't tie her up.
Get up.
Ichie, because what about my children? Who will look after them? Please.
You should have thought about your children before you killed our brother, your husband. Children.
What about her children? Is that what she said?
She should have thought about her children.
So that we will be clapping for her. Good heart.
When you killed her husband, she never thought about
that woman has a dagger heart.
Dagger.
Bye. Ichie.
I hope all is well.
Iche, please. If there's anything my friend has done wrong to you or the elders, please forgive her. For the sake of the children. These children are also your children. Iche,
No, don't do that. How are you just behaving as if I am the one in charge of the whole thing? That woman simply killed my brother, and every now and then she keeps lying. Oh, the case is between herself and the gods, not me. So, Bikopa.
Iche, do you want your brother's children to be orphans?
What's the meaning of this? No, I don't understand. What is the meaning of that? Do I want my...
Iche, don't attack me. I only ask you a question. I am not Uloma. Don't attack me.
Simply leave my house now. I don't want anything with you. Get out of this place.
Iche, you're chasing away.
No, I said leave here. It's not chasing away. It's simply a command. Leave my house, officer.
Oh, you think I'm Uloma? Iche,
Oh, you will...
What is this?
Hey! You got them. Wait for me. Just wait.
Wicked man.
You very wicked one.
I will kill you.
No, it is you that will kill.
Wicked man.
Equenti. That is how you be going about with the equenti. You put the ears very wide open like rabbit. When you hear, you come directly here.
What did I do to deserve this life? Am I cursed? I have to be cursed. Chike, this was not the plan. Chike, this was not the plan. It's your no. Oh, my children. My children.
Time to eat.
Please. My children. Has anybody told them where I am? Because they'll start looking for me.
Madam, what do you concern me and your children now? Eat your food, John. Which kind of children matter be this one now?
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry. Be like someone will never catch you now. One will beat you and one person will tell you. But give me your hand, John. You know what, John?
Please, my children. To know where I am. They will start looking for me, please. Please.
One person will tell you. Long ago, mama, you this night there. Your eye go clear. Even the baby chops.
Oh, Ada. Hey, Ebuka. Please, 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 please. Help me look for my children. Tell them where I am. Bikonu. They'll look for me. And they will look for me. Ebuka is a young boy because they are no, please. Please. Oh, chicken. Oh, my children.
Yes, I'll soon be there in the next 15 minutes. Tell the workers to stop work until I get there, alright? Alright. I'll be with you soon. Yeah. Who is it? Oh, Ada, come in. I'm surprised to see you too. And your face don't look bright. It's everything alright?
No. Our uncle and the elders, they took our mom.
What? Are they stupid? Why?
They said that she killed our father.
Really? They must be silly. Hello? Please, I will be a little bit late to work. I need to go to the police station and settle something. Alright. Come with me. I hope you're enjoying the meal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ebuka, are you? Listen, I don't want you to worry about anything. Your mom will be fine. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
The police are on it already. And hopefully, we will get some good news soon. But for the meantime, you two will be staying with me until your mom returns. Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's okay. Go ahead. Enjoy your meal. Okay, I will be stealing this one from you guys. Enjoy your meal, guys.
Okay. Hey, don't look at him.
You said you're innocent. Okay. Oh yeah, drink this.
No, I can't drink.
Come on, drink it! I did not kill my husband! I am innocent! Please, I am innocent! I did not kill my husband!
Innocent!
No! I said drink it! No! Drink it! I can't drink it! You are innocent! To prove I am innocent! I am innocent!
In the presence of Ogugu, Loma, be careful.
I am innocent.
Look at them! Where do you think you're going?
We need cola, so I want to go and bring cola.
Useless people! Hope they didn't harm you.
No, they did not. How about my children?
They are fine.
How did you know I was here?
They both came to my house this morning.
Where are they?
They're in my house as we speak.
Sister, sorry I kept you waiting.
It's okay. I understand you getting fresh.
Yes. Thank you so much for looking at that and for me while I was away.
It's nothing.
Thank you so much.
I'm curious to know, why do they think he killed your husband?
Sister, it was that day you came home and gave him 60,000 for the so-called help that he rendered. And you gave us extra money. We decided to use part of it to celebrate with Ebuka, to have a little get-together. He heard though, and that was it. From there, he said that I killed my husband so that I can spend his money.
That man must be silly.
Very silly.
I mean, why would he say a thing like that?
Ask me. Ha!
And why didn't you tell me Ebuka's birthday was around the corner?
No. I did not want to stress you.
Stress?
You've done enough for us. Yes. Because wow, I don't want to stress you.
Come on, don't say that.
Sister.
You know what? I am going to invite all of you to my house for dinner.
All behalf of Ebuka. Thank you. Auntie, thank you. Thank you so much, Auntie.
I'm going to send my driver to come pick you guys.
Driver? You don't need. I said don't stress. We will come. Do you know the house?
Yes, Mommy. I even know the location.
Don't worry, we'll find out. We'll just enter Keke. Don't stress.
Are you sure it's safe?
Yes, Auntie. We know now. Just take Keke. We'll come. Don't worry. We'll be
Okay,
there.
if you say so.
Thank you so much.
My fiancé will be around, so I'm going to use the opportunity to introduce you guys to him.
Oh, that would be nice. That would be so nice. Thank you so much, sister.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
One day, maybe it's enough. One day, now one day, it go better for us.
These people almost killed this woman for just no reason. I mean, how can you accuse a woman of killing her husband without any proof? No proof, not even one. This is barbaric. And you know what? I am glad I dealt with them. Honey, you don't need to worry about me. I am fine. I am safe. In fact, I am too safe for my liking. Oh yeah? Not really. I am not hungry. And even if I must take something, it has to be fruit. So babe, are you still coming home as agreed? Because I am longing to be with you. Of course. Oh, great. I can't wait to sleep next to you. I love you too. Alright, bye.
You have to pay us the money we use to pay our taxes.
Yes!
Yes!
Now, what is it? What do you mean by that? Eh? Was I not arrested? You were arrested, I was arrested. I do no such thing. What do you mean I should do? I should pay?
You forget it is your battle we are fighting. Your battle we fought that landed us into this problem. And we are still fighting your battle. You must give us the money.
Yes. I do not have money to give to anybody.
You are a liar.
It is one man to himself. Give us our money! Yeah. Listen, you even have mouth to talk. Yes, now. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You couldn't even disappear or even do automobile for those police people not to arrest us. You were just mopping your eye like that and they were even hitting your back. You couldn't do anything. You have mouth to talk. I want us to disappear. Give us our money! Ew, shame! Shame on you! Don't get me provoked. Shameless people. Shameless. I told you.
Look at what you are doing on the road. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ibo no iche ike. Ike kibo. Fiakwa. Hey!
Our money! Give my money! Give us our money! Give us our money! Our money!
Where are you now, Papa? There's no laughter again. Things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa? Where are you now, Papa? There's no laughter again, and things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa?
Oh my God! I've been waiting for you guys. Come in.
Mary Hachi.
Welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Your house is so beautiful.
Thank you.
It's like something from heaven. Oh my. Oh my.
Thank you. Well, my fiancé will soon be with us. Okay?
It's alright.
Ada, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, here he comes.
Hello. Wow. Handsome boy. You guys are welcome.
Chicken. What? Chicken. Do you know?
Chicken! Daddy!
Daddy.
This is chicken! Daddy! This is chicken!
Daddy?
Yes!
You guys are confusing me the more. What's happening?
This is chicken, my husband! The one I told you we thought was dead! Chicken!
I don't know these people.
Jesus Christ. Daddy. What are you saying? You mean you don't know us? Your daughter, Ada? Your little assistant? Don't you remember me? I should push the brake.
No, not yet, eh?
Okay.
Match the brake 3 times for me, eh?
Okay, I should push. I should push it.
Match 3 times, yeah. Match it. Pump it for me. Yes. I'll be back soon, eh? Let me just get the parts. Have you eaten?
No.
Tell Mama Ngozi to give you aqua butter.
Yes.
It's okay. Eh?
Thank you.
I'll be back. Hey.
I'll be waiting for you. Yes. Yes.
My family.
Yes.
Hold on.
Yes. Yes.
My family! My little assistant!
Yes!
Ada!
Yes!
Ebuka!
Yes!
Oh my God! Oh Mama, my love! Oh my God! I remember everything! My baby! Mama! Oh my God! Baby! Oh my God! My footballer! Ebuka! My love.
Chicken, what happened?
Oh
What happened? How did you meet her?
He was involved in a motor accident. And I was his doctor. Relax, okay? You were in a hospital. Actually, you were involved in a motor accident and some good Samaritans brought you to this place. This is a hospital. You've been here for some time now and I'm your doctor, and it's a good thing you're awake. Can you tell me what your name is? What is your name? Where are you from? Can you remember anything at all? Okay. Can you please try to move your leg a bit? Just one of it. Try, just try. It's okay. It's okay. Don't stress it. Don't stress it. It's normal for this to happen. You were involved in a very traumatic accident. So it's normal. But you'll be fine. Your bones were not affected. Just relax and I will let the nurse know of the next medication to give to you. Alright? Unique. You are medically sound now. Your test results said nothing is wrong with you anymore. And you are free to go.
Oh.
But we have a situation.
Which is?
Where are you going to go? Unique, throughout your stay in this hospital, no one came for you. Nobody asked about you. And you in person does not even know what your name is. You don't even know where you came from. And I can't allow you walk on the street. It's risky. The outcome won't be nice.
So what do we do?
Honestly, I am confused. Maybe I will think of something.
Thank you.
Welcome to my home.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You stay here alone?
Well, yes. It's my parents.
Oh.
But they moved abroad with my siblings. So I decided to stay back because of my profession.
Okay. Wow. Beautiful place.
Thank you. Okay, let me show you to the guest room.
Okay.
Nice. You can do it! So, that's what I do.
What is happening to me? I can't remember anything about myself. How can't I remember where I'm coming from? My name? This is... What is happening? Where did I go?
Unique. You will be fine. You will definitely be fine. You know you...
Don't tell me something I have already heard. I had a traumatizing blow. I know that. But the most confusing and disturbing thing to me is how I am not able to remember my foundation, my people, my friends. I can't even remember my name.
Unique, calm down. Don't be too hard on yourself. I understand how hard and frustrating this must be for you. But I am assuring you, you will be fine. And this won't be long. Just be patient while I consult some specialists concerning your case. This won't last, I promise. You haven't even touched your food. Come on, go ahead and eat.
Have I done anything wrong?
You? No.
You don't look happy.
That is because I am not happy. I know quite well that I put in my best in my profession because I love my job. But there is this particular male doctor that faults practically everything that I do. And I know he is doing it on purpose because I am a woman.
He's a foolish man. Brainless. And doesn't know your words.
Exactly.
If he is threatened by your presence, then he is weaker than you think. Come on, if I were you, I wouldn't be bothered a second about his foolishness. Okay? So just do your work and leave the rest. He is the one with the problems. Good. So next time, alright, ignore him whenever he comes up with his foolishness. He obviously doesn't know how wonderful you are. That is it. Beautiful smile. This is what you should give to him whenever he tries to show his foolishness to you. Okay?
Thank you so much, Unique. You are my strength.
I don't know if I will be able to wish for this. B, I don't want you to remember anything about your foundation. I wish to be with you forever. Just you and I. I feel complete whenever I am around you. You're the only man who understands me. I don't think I can be able to live without you.
Anita, the wish is not evil, because I wish same too. Yes. I want mine to stay here forever.
Do you mean this word that just came out of your mouth?
Yes.
Then let's make it a reality.
I think we should. No, I know we should.
But you haven't even asked me out officially.
Oh, okay. My badge. Alright. I have to go on my knees. Anita, please, would you marry me?
Well, I will think about that.
There she goes.
Yes, I have to think about that.
Think?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, how long do I have to wait for that?
For as long as I want.
Really? Okay. I will wait.
Hell no, I am not waiting. Yes, and yes. I would love to be your girlfriend.
Oh?
Sure, babe. Hey.
Your breakfast is ready.
You're not serious. Are you?
Oh, yes.
What? Babe, you made breakfast for us?
Just for you.
Oh my God! Are you serious?
Oh yeah, come on.
Wow. This looks nice. And how did you get to know that I love egg?
Oh, egg is very essential.
make sure you don't peep into my game.
Okay, second three. I play. You have second. Go to market. Second. I play on yourself.
Are you sure you're not peeping into my game?
How can I?
Are you sure?
I'm not seeing it. Yes. Oh, you have triangle 7. Alright. Stop.
I have it.
Wow! Okay. I've won you on this.
It's
I'm going
fine.
to take the whole market. Oh yeah?
As long.
Pick 2. You are going to market. Fast. Pick 2.
Baby, calm down.
Come on, I'll be picking now.
Calm down.
Pick 2 and last card. Yes. Pick
Like
2 now. No, baby, don't try this. Oh.
Baby, you're
cheating. No, pick 2. Pick
You're
2
cheating.
first.
No.
I am not cheating now.
Let me see.
Ah,
You did not even win.
I won you. You're cheating.
No, you're the one cheating. Stop
You're
it.
cheating.
You're the one cheating. You're the one cheating. See,
Baby,
scatter the game.
you are a cheat.
You're the... Hey, babe. Babe, I think it would be nice for us to, hang out the same way to see a movie. What do you think? Babe, what's wrong? Why is your face like this?
It's been 2 years. Yet I can't remember anything.
Honey, I know how frustrating this can be. But trust me, you will come around. You'll be fine. I have seen worse cases than this. Okay?
When are you leaving for the village tomorrow?
By 1 or 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Babe, must you travel?
Let me guess. Someone is missing me already. Sugar, I have to travel. My brother sounded so worried the last time we spoke on the phone. He said he's been sending lots of money, yet the building is not complete. I need to go there and find out what's happening.
Definitely someone is mismanaging the fund.
Definitely, yeah. Not to worry. I'm still here with you. Besides, I won't take long.
Nice eyes.
That was what happened. I'm just finding out that my husband to be, the man I fell in love with, has a beautiful family.
I'm sorry. I am so sorry. A woman as beautiful as you are, with such a beautiful heart, shouldn't have to go through this. I am so sorry. Amen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for looking after Chike. I appreciate it.
It's fine. I will be okay.
Yes, you will be.
I will do it over and over again if I had to.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your understanding.
truly appreciate.
You're welcome. I told you that one day you will regain your memory.
You did. And it worked. Thank you so much for believing.
You're welcome. Thank you. And she's quite a talent.
Yes, she is.
She actually helped me fix my car. Yes, she did.
She did?
Of course.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
You see? Benefits of her working with me. Yes. Yes.
Like I could stop her from working with you. She's such a nice person.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now one day it go better for us. One name Ebezina. One day, now one day it go better for you and me. One name Ebezina. One day, now one day it go better for us.
Anybody here?
One day,
Yeah, what is it?
now one day it go better.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, please, sir, is this Mr. Chike's compound? Oh, yes. All right, okay. This is for you from Madam Anita.
Oh, Anita. Hey! Atalungum!
Help him!
Ha! My love, come on! Hey!
Help him!
Eh? Anita is getting married and she has invited us.
Hey, Chukunadalo! Hey, Anita!
Yes.
Hey, hey, we are going to be there.
Live.
Tell her that we are coming.
Live.
Hey, give me color of the day.
Check.
Blue. And white.
Hey!
Anita! Hey, thank
I'm
God.
so happy.
I am happy.
Hey! Sir, she said that if you agree to come, that she's going to send her driver down here to...
We accept! We accept! We are going to be there.
Yes. Okay.
Go and tell her that we are going to be there.
Yes.
We are going to be there.
One more thing. One more thing. Yeah, she said she will give you guys this. She wants you guys to look good on that day.
Hey! Help this for us!
Hey! I
am telling you!
We are coming there!
We are coming!
Live!
Please! Tell her we appreciate.
Yes!
Tell her that we are going to be there live!
Thank you, sir.
Thank you!
Bye-bye. Thank you.
No, it won't take time.
No, thank you. God bless you.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh, God bless you.
Bye-bye.
It's alright. This is good news.
We are going to be there. And I will not buy clothes. We'll keep this one. We have blue and white now. Okay. Blue and white, with
yes, we have blue and white. We're going to practice our movement,
like this now.
you know?
Like
okay.
Left.
Okay, left.
Like this.
Later. Okay. With my shoulders high.
Shoulder like this.
Hey! As husband to Ataluga.
Of course.
I'm married for. Alright. Okay, so.
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
That kind of photo work.
You know?
Where are you now, Papa? There's no laughter again. Things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa? Where are you now? now, Papa. There's no left to regain, and things gotten harder. Where are you now, Papa? I don't belong, and you are Biago. Kajirimu, Mary Hochi. I don't suffer, I don't cry.